Welcome back to CIE Group. We're over at ISE 2024 over in Barcelona, the biggest AV and security show that you will find in the world. I've been joined by Lars Paulsson and Wim van Winge to talk about our latest partnership between CIE Group and Zenitel. Wim, thank you for joining us first of all.
Thank you for having us. Thank you for visiting us.
Tell us a little bit, for those of our customers who don't know, tell us a little bit about Zenitel, about the company, about the product first of all.
So Zenitel, we are a global leader in the intelligent security communication systems. We are mostly known, and we have a very long journey for our intercom solutions.
We're a company dating back to 1901, actually. So we got a very, very long history. And through that period of time, we've always had technology as a guiding star. And I think we're right now where we're starting to combine different technologies, starting to add product categories, new product categories into the portfolio. It's a new era for us. But always with the aim of being a thought leader in the industry. Adding ASL to our portfolio now helps us bring very good PAVA portfolio into our different business areas. And in our business model, focusing mainly on the safety and security industry, we are working as a manufacturer with an indirect go-to-market, an indirect business model, having a good and sufficient ecosystem built to be able to support many markets out there and different types of sectors.
And then I see it's written on your stand and it's written on everybody's card today. Unified Critical Communication Solutions is really the focus of where Zenitel are going with their product ranges. Explain what that means.
Well, what that means is basically this is what our customers are telling us. When you want to protect your building or the spaces, customers ask for one security platform and an intelligent platform. And they don't want to bother about having an intercom on one side, talking to one platform, having a public address system on another platform. They just want one solution and one platform. And with unified critical communication, we bring that to the market.
The ecosystem is of course important to us. We are a product manufacturer, and we need our ecosystem to be successful. The market is extremely fragmented, and there's so many different type of players in the industry. That's why we need to make sure that we have the right integrations with the key players in the industry, the key platforms. And we've been spending a lot of time and effort into building those ecosystems and partners these last 5 years since we transformed into the different business units.
And I guess I wonder, within your kind of strategy tagline, how important is that word critical? I know that there is a background in voice alarm, of course, and there is a background in some of your intercoms with kind of the offshore, it has to work.
Yeah, it has.
So is that really an important focus as well?
Yeah. Well, communication is critical, and it needs to work when it has to work, right? So we usually say it gives us the opportunity to hear, to be heard, and to be understood anywhere and anytime, right? With the robust solutions that we have, we can guarantee that we provide that part into a security solution. I think this is also something that many of our partners are looking for, something they can trust, something that lasts for a long time and which has a tremendously good audio quality. If you look at that as communication being critical always, you're being looked at as a thought leader as well. And by having now our new portfolio of PAVA into our portfolio as well, gives us credibility also in that space. So that's one of the reasons why we try to merge those different portfolios.
So we were talking earlier on about training being really important to bringing a new product and a new platform into the market. And for many of our installers, okay, so it's a new product, it's a new platform, it's a new ecosystem. And sometimes that is where the reticence is. Installing hardware is easy to do, but then I've got to program a new ecosystem. And I know that for you guys, training is really important. So for installers and for integrators, how does that fit into it being part of the product from Zenitel?
So nobody likes risk, and our installers, their system integrators are not different. So they like to work with products they can be confident on. They know how to work, they know how to program them. And so our first line of support is our learning management system. So we have a full learning platform that we provide to them with very basic but very advanced online training courses. And that's the start of the relationship. So we start working with partners, system integrators, installer, by teaching them how the products work, how they should be customized, how they should run. And that's the starting point.
So our position is definitely strengthening in the industry, and we see more and more audio solutions coming in. our job is to educate the market, is to bring that message into the market in a good way, and making sure that more integrators are able to help different types of segments and segment verticals in adding that to the security solution.
So CIE really pleased to have the Zenitel range added to our product portfolio to bring to our customers in the UK. So tell us why CIE is a good fit for the Zenitel strategy.
We seek and value at Zenitel long-term partnerships based on competency, trust, and a strong knowledge of the ecosystem. And I think with CIE, we see those three key elements. And that made us believe, and it makes us believe that we are off for a long-term relationship where we really, I think, can make a difference for the UK market. Of course, that's not all. Then companies like your company come in play when it really, really about hands-on experience, helping them and taking the most challenging tasks out of their hands. So we believe our learning platform, together with your deep knowledge, winning combination. We operate in the Safety and Security Business Unit. We operate across 9 key verticals. And the good thing about those verticals is we will find specialists, system integrators, installers, who each have a really good knowledge about that vertical. Whether it be healthcare, transportation, prisons, they have a strong knowledge in that.
We've been in the UK market for quite some time, working in different type of segments. And as you know, there are opportunities in any type of vertical. And we see that together with our partners, that intercom is being used in all the different type of applications. So I would say the opportunities are there to get for both of our companies. We don't have the same competence, obviously, in the PAVA side as we have in our business unit at least. So we need to build that competence by adding thought leaders from the industry into our network of ecosystem partners.
That's, I believe, where CIE comes in. You master a full range of, first of all, sound and audio products. You also have complementary products that they are looking for. And then you have a full range of services, from the design to the implementation to the customization and to the maintenance. And that gives you a unique advantage. And that's what we are looking for. So to help out, to take basically the critical product-related work out of their hands, so that they can focus on the end user needs and the customer needs. And that's where I believe if you couple that with our superior technology, I do believe we have a winning partnership for the UK market.
The Zenitel range of intercoms and, of course, PAVA is now available from CIE Group in the UK. As Lars says, we have an amazing history of understanding the PA market over at CIE. We have a great team of experts there to train you on PA and VA and, of course, on the product and assist with your specifications. If you want to find out more, if you want to try the product for yourself, join us at ciegroup.com or contact your CIE account manager today.